Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Wonders of Creation. So in this video I will be sharing this amazing gift card which is very easy to make and very simple. And I made this greeting card very simple so that everyone can just make this. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So for the base of the card here I will be using a cardstock card and the size really doesn't matter. You can go with a rectangular one or a square one. It's totally optional. Next here I will be using this quilling strips as our border. And next, as you can see, for the base of the cardstock card, here I used a blue colored paper. And next here I will be using a yellow paper which is of length 20 cm and the breadth 8 cm. Fold it in half and glue it as shown in the video. Next I will be gluing a red color sheet of paper top of the yellow one and have some fun with our glue and yeah. Next I will be gluing some paper cutouts which I made out of colored paper and gluing them as shown in the video. Next I have some tags, birthday tags which are a part of my DIY, and if you want to know how did I make this, then do let me know in the comment section. I will make a video for you guys. And glue them as shown in the video and yeah, you're done. So here you can write some wishes, even you can paste some pictures. It's totally optional and up to you. And almost we are done with our inside part. So now without any further late, let's get into our front part. To enhance our front part, first I will be gluing a pink colored paper. On top of that I will be gluing a yellow colored paper. Glue them as shown in the video and yeah, let's get into our next step. So next I will be using a print on paper or a design paper, something like this. I will link a similar product in the description box. So first cut out a small piece of paper and similarly cut a frame, something like this. So next I will be using double-sided foam tape, cut them into a small strips and glue all over the frame, something like this. Don't even leave a single space. So next here I will be using these sequence stones. These are easily available in any fancy store. I will be using this in two different shades. One is orange, another one is multicolored one. You can use different shapes, different colors, sequence stones. It's totally up to you. So next, glue a OHP sheet or a transparent sheet. I will link a similar product in the description box, so please check out that. And on top of this I will be gluing this frame. So here is a close look. Next I thought of to make some heart air balloons. These are very easy to make. Just cut out some heart shaped papers and just glue them something like this and yeah, we are done. So I will glue this something here. So next here I will be writing some wishes, notes. It's totally up to you. Actually here I made a small mistake. So to cover that I will be gluing a ribbon. On top of that I will add some rhinestones or any sequence stones. So to cover the rest of the card, here I will be using some rhinestones, and yeah, we are done with our card. And here is the end result, and the end result look awesome. What do you guys think? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. And please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.